How to change your phone number in PayPal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your linked phone number in PayPal. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, head over to your PayPal. So first step, head over to your PayPal, go to paypal.com and log in into your account. After you've done that, you can head over to your settings icon right here. Tap on settings, and after you're on your settings, you'll find your account right here. Under account, you'll also find your phone numbers section. Tap on this change option, and right here you can add a new number. Tap on add new. Now you will need to enter out your mobile number and then tap on add phone number. After you add another number, you can then just go to the change option again and delete this existing number. There you can see to change your primary phone number, you will need to add a new one and make that a primary and then remove the one that was before. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.